Matindi talaga ang naging achievement ng SB19 ngayong 2025 or ang nakaraang taon na 2025. Mula sa naging post ng Facebook page na Hottest Fame, sinabi niyang SB19 is the most streamed P-pop group in 2025 and the most streamed male P-pop of all time on Spotify. SB19 was a top contender for most streamed P-pop group in 2025, holding significant streams and dominating charts. Mula naman sa The Whoans, narito ang kanilang naging pagbabahagi sa pagkapanalo ni Philip, SB19 Ken. Congratulations Philip, you are officially everyone's favorite OPM artist for the month of December. 18, you truly secured the spot. Thank you for always standing strong and supporting your favorite all the way. And speaking of Ken, sa naging update po natin dito sa ating Showbiz Now about di umano sa rumored na girlfriend nitong si Ken Suson, nakita natin kung gaano ka-supportive ang kanyang mga bias or ang mga fans ni Ken dahil alam naman natin as SB19 may kanya-kanyang bias nga po ang mga fans. Nakakatuwa lang dahil sa 100% na comment, makikita natin na 95% nandoon nakasuporta kay Ken kung sakasakali man nga daw na totoo ang rumored na siya ay mayroon ng girlfriend. Ilang mga fans ang nagbigay ng suporta at mensahe para kay Ken. Say ng isang fan, I saw a picture of the girl. I actually used to watch her on a show and she's really pretty. True or not, they actually look together cause they are both into fashion. Also, I didn't yet see the picture that started the rumor. Can someone tell me where to see it? Anyway, ayon sa isang artikulo, ang nasabi nga pong rumor GF nitong si Ken ay may napakagandang credential. Siya ay isang Filipina model and social media maven. Siya po ay pinangalanan bilang isa sa Megastyle's most beautiful digital influencers. At siya po ay natapos ng fashion design sa University of the City of Manila, the Philippines. And of course, she gave tips on how to raise one's profile on Instagram in a January 2016 article on Status Online Mag. She is an only child. She competed against Asia's Next Top Model winner, Maureen Roblewitz. Well, meron na nga po ba kayong clue kung sino siya? But anyway, sabi nga, dapat talaga na irespeto ang privacy at kung meron mang iniibig si Ken, sabi ng mga fans, full support tayo dyan. For sure, hindi maaapektuhan dahil mukhang busy din naman itong si girl. Pero ang mahalaga doon, nasa magandang katayuan kung meron mang totoong rumored sa kanilang dalawa, both Ken and the girl. At yan ang ating Showbiz Top Update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.